Hi, this is your instructional video for your lessons in family living from November 2nd to November 3rd. So this is a project that you guys are going to be working on. It's a really short, easy little project, but I've given you 2 days to do it just so that you have enough time to gather all the supplies you might need if you don't have them handy at the house. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making your own fruit or vegetable garnish. All you need to do to start is to look on page 117 or page 120 of your textbook to figure out whether you want to do a vegetable garnish, which is on page 117, or a fruit garnish, which is on page 120. Once you have chosen what you would like to create, you can complete your project. Your project will be turned in via Google Slides and should include at least 3 pictures of your garnish. The first picture could show your chosen fruit / vegetable. The second picture could show your work in progress, and the third picture the finished product. Please explain the steps you took to create your garnish. If you like, you can copy the steps straight from your book. Just make sure to number them. So this is supposed to be a really simple project, but it's also supposed to be fun. You might want to try garnishes for a party that you might be in charge of sometime in the future. And it should be pretty simple, so don't make it complicated. If you have any questions, please feel free to send an email, and I will do my best to help you. All right, thank you.